7 make a splurge.
Welcome back, Exclusive Baddies. This is BP Exclusive, and today's video is a DIY. The first video of the series is a sewing video. This one is super easy. So today we'll be making DIY bell-bottom mesh pants. Let me see if I can show you guys. Cause I have like, they're see-through. So I will be showing you guys how to make these in this video, and then make sure you stay to the end of the video because I will do a little styling of it. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post on my Wednesday videos and on Friday videos. Wednesday is DIY, Friday is hauls, and make sure you guys are in tune to my channel. Okay, so welcome to the voiceover. I really hate doing voiceovers. But okay, so I'm starting off by doing, instead of making patterns, I'm just gonna make my own from the pair of pants I already own. And you see how I'm adding a slanted line to the end? I'm gonna do that to both sides. I marked where I was gonna start my bell bottom. And then yeah, I'm just gonna start cutting. Super easy. You don't even have to make a pattern. Just use the old pair of pants and add the flare at the end. And I'm gonna do this twice. So I'm gonna do 2 exact patterns of this. So right now I'm doing the second cutout for the back side of the pants. So I just did the front side, now I'm doing the back side. It kind of doesn't matter, whatever side, front, back. You guys don't mind the ashiness, the ugliness. I thought I was going to be able to like not get my face in this video. But I see I'm nappy headed and all up in it, so sorry. separating the pieces of fabric, the front and the back, and I'm gonna sew the straight line, so not the crotch area. I'm gonna sew that line on both of them. So this is how it looks after you sew that line and open up the pants leg. So this could be the front or the back. I made them the same so they don't look different. You see how much the waist is? I'm gonna fold that in half so it's not as high as that. Now I'm putting both good sides together, and I'm gonna sew the crotch areas. So that's just a curve line on each side. I'm gonna sew that down. So now I sewed those two lines together. I'm separating it, pulled the middle part, and voila, you have bell-bottom pants. So the last thing I need to sew is just the inner line of the pants, the inside lining of the pants. That's all I need to sew. And you have bell bottoms, and I just need to do the waistband, and I am done. Hello exclusive baddies, this is BEP exclusive, and today's video, it's gonna be very interesting. Well, it's actually a video, but I'm starting off tonight because my son